Most learners fail their driving test before they even start. Let me show you how you can stay calm. Getting nervous before your driving test is completely normal. Even experienced drivers feel pressure when they are in test. What matters is how you control your nerves. Here is examiner's approved method to stay calm. Step 1. Take one slow breath in, one slow breath out. Just like that. This resets your heart rate and stops shaky hands feeling. Step 2, which is most important, stop thinking about the result. Focus on your driving, use the knowledge you already have and aim to drive as safe as you can. And don't worry about examiner. Treat them like a sat nav. Their job is simply to guide you around the test route. Even if you find yourself in a wrong lane which is not taking you where examiner said, just keep going wrong way. If you will take wrong turn safely, you will not be marked down. Going wrong way is not a mistake. The examiner will redirect you back to the route just like a sat nav. When you focus too much on the result, you lose control of the present moment, and that's when mistakes happen. Step number 3, do not rush. When you get in the car, make sure your seat and mirrors are properly adjusted. You can press brake to see if your seat is properly adjusted. You can put your hand here to see if your steering wheel is at good distance. Take a moment. Examiners like calm driver. So do not rush. Step 4. The opening part of the test is usually a simple roads. Use this time to breathe, check your mirrors and get into your rhythm. Examiners are not looking for perfection. They are looking for safe, smooth and legal drive. If you make any mistake, just leave it behind. Don't get distracted, stay focused. Leave it to examiner to decide if that mistake was serious or minor. Do not think that you have already failed. Stay calm, drive safe and trust your training. You are more ready than you think. Give a thumbs up if you like the video and leave your feedback. Your feedback is my motivation. And if you want to see me again, hit the subscribe button. Until then, peace.